I'm happy with the Energy Square. If it can save me $7,000 a year, it was worth every penny I paid for it. I was looking at possibly either laying somebody off or changing my whole concept of the restaurant, because the fresh fish, I just need too much refrigeration to keep it going. I don't know what I was really gonna do. I was contemplating a lot of different things. It was let somebody go and change the menu to make it simpler so that less people in the kitchen could do it, or possibly change the whole theme of the restaurant so I could turn off one of my coolers and lower my electric bill, because the amount of electricity that I end up spending is just ridiculous. It's twice as much as I pay in gross receipt taxes, and it's about 3 times as much as I can pay myself in a salary. Well, I was contacted by the Madison Group, and they turned me on to this Energy Square, which has dropped my refrigeration cost almost 10–20% on my walk-in coolers. I'm saving probably close to $700 a month just by installing one in my walk-in refrigerator and one in my walk-in freezer. I probably walk in and out of the cooler 2 to 3 dozen times a day, but I have 3 other cooks that walk in and out of that cooler. So I mean, that door's opening and closing probably close to 100 times a day. I'm happy with it. If it can save me $7,000 a year, that's a great start.